The year 2023 witnessed significant milestones in China-Zimbabwe economic engagement, as several key infrastructure development projects funded by China were completed. Senior Zimbabwean officials have said that investments from China have played a significant role in infrastructure development in Zimbabwe.
2023 has been a seminal year in terms of Zimbabwe-China relations. It is really a breakaway year with infrastructure investments supported by the Chinese soft loan or concessional loan division to make Zimbabwe offset the challenges which it has been facing, particularly in the energy sector. The arrival of these concessional loan-supported thermal power projects is a shot in the arm to the Zimbabwean economy.
The number of projects that China is spearheaded is endless. In the power sector, we have got Wange 7 and 8. We have got our brand new airport. In the transport sector, R.G. Mugabe Airport, Victoria Falls Airport. We have got that germ, of a national monument, I should say, our new parliament.